Welcome to my YouTube channel, students. This lecture is based on alcohol, phenols and ethers. That is, we are going to see the introduction of the alcohol, phenols and ethers. Now first start with alcohols. When H in an aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced by dash OH group, that is hydroxyl group, we'll get alcohol, students. It means we can define alcohol as when hydrogen in an aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is one or more number of hydrogen atom in an aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced by corresponding number of hydroxyl groups, we'll get alcohols. Now for example, we are having CH4, that is hydrocarbon. Suppose I replaced one of the hydrogen atom from this hydrocarbon, and in that place I am going to add this OH group, that is hydroxyl group. We'll get, students, CH3OH, and this is called as simple alcohol. Okay, so I think it's clear now the definition of alcohols. When an hydrogen in an aliphatic hydrocarbon is replaced by OH group, we'll get alcohol, students. Okay. Now next one is phenols. When hydrogen in an aromatic hydrocarbon is replaced by OH group, we'll get phenols. Okay, so once again we can define this phenol as when a number of hydrogen atoms in an aromatic hydrocarbon is replaced by corresponding number of hydroxyl groups, we'll get phenol, students. Okay, now for example, now we are having an aromatic hydrocarbon, this is called benzene. Okay, so we can write this benzene as in a structural manner. Okay, suppose I am going to again replace one of the hydrogen atom from this benzene, okay, by this OH group, that is hydroxyl group, we'll get, students, phenol, that is benzene ring attached by OH group, that is called as a phenol. Okay, so only difference in alcohols and in phenols is, in alcohols we are going to substitute the one of the hydrogen from aliphatic hydrocarbons, and in this case means in phenols we are going to replace one of the hydrogen atom from aromatic hydrocarbons by OH group. Okay, now next, third one is, that is ethers. When H in an hydrocarbon is replaced by alkoxy, that is dash OR, or ariloxy, that is dash OAR group, will get, students, ethers. It means ether may also be defined as when one or more number of hydrogen atom in an hydrocarbon is replaced by alkoxy or ariloxy, will get ether, students. Now for example, this is an hydrocarbon, that is CH4, we call it as a methane. Suppose I replaced here again one of the hydrogen atom by means of one of the dash OR, that is alkoxy group. So you will get, student, CS3OR, it is called as an ether. Okay. Now in this case I am adding alkoxy group. Suppose from same hydrocarbon, that is CH4, I am going to replace one of the hydrogen atom by means of one of the dash OAR, that is ariloxy group, will get CS3OAR, that is ether. And again now there is a difference between this ether and this ether is, in this case CS3OR is there, and in this case CS3OAR is there, that is in this case ariloxy group is there, and in this case alkoxy group is there. Okay, now this ether can be defined in another way also, means we can having another definition of ethers. Suppose when hydrogen in an hydroxyl group is replaced by alkyl or aryl group, will also get ether, students. I repeat once again, when hydrogen in an hydroxyl group is replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then we will get ethers. For example, suppose we are having ROH. Okay, so I am going to replace this H, that is I am going to minus H by means of R group, that is I am going to add this R group by means of this hydrogen. So what we will get, students? ROR. Okay, so this is also called as ether. Okay, or similarly I am going to replace one of the hydrogen atom from this alcohol by means of this AR, and in this case we will get ROAR. Okay, again this is an alloxy ether and this is an alkoxy ether. Okay, so depending on the nature of the R group, we will get what student, different types of ethers. Okay, so now this is introductory part of the alcohol phenols and ethers. Thank you students.